Decimals are a special type of fraction that have denominators that are powers of 10, like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So if you have a decimal like 0.5, all you need to do is take everything past the decimal, so 5, you put that as the numerator, and then however many digits there are past the decimal, that's how many zeros you're going to have in the denominator. So here we have 1 digit after the decimal, so that you have 1 0, like that. So another example, 0.346. If we want to write that as a fraction, we write anything past the decimal, so 3, 4, 6, and then we have 3 digits after the decimal, so that's going to be 3 zeros. So 0.346 is the same as 346 out of 1,000. How about something like 0.0056? Well, same thing, you take everything after the decimal as the numerator. And then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now, 0056, that's the same thing as 56. We typically don't write the leading zeros here, so this will just become 56 over 10,000. Okay, how about something like 40.54? So here we have something before the decimal. Anything before the decimal is going to be a whole number, and we just write it like this. So 40, and then the fractional component will be the same thing that we've been doing. So 54 over 100, 2 zeros. So this becomes 40 and 54 out of 100. Here's another one, 20.053. So 20 is your whole number, and your fraction is 53 over 1,000. And this reads as 20 and 53 out of 1,000. If you want to go the other way and convert fractions to decimals, there's not really a good trick to do that. You just have to do regular division. So something like 5 over 8. If we want to write this in decimal format, we would have to do 5 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 5 0 times. 5 minus 0 is 5. Bring down a 0, which creates a decimal point. 8 goes into 50 6 times. Gives us 48. Subtract 2. Bring another 0 down. 8 goes into 20 2 times, which gives us 16. Subtract gives us 4, and we keep going. Bring down another 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 40, and finally we get 0 remainder, so we're done. So 5/8 would be the same as 0.625. Okay, here's another one. 1 divided by 3. This one looks pretty simple. So let's do the division. 1 divided by 3. 3 goes into 1 0 times. So we bring down a 0. That creates the first decimal point here. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Okay, we're left with 1. Bring down another 0. Okay, 3 goes into 10 3 times. 1. Bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 9. 1. Okay, so then I realized if I continue doing this, this is going to go on forever. And so when this happens, you can write this as 1 over 3 equals 0.3 bar. And this bar indicates that this 3 will go on forever. Here's our last example. 4 over 11. So let's try and divide this. 11 will go into 4 0 times. Bring down our 0. This creates the decimal. 11 goes into 40 3 times. 11 times 3 is 33. Difference of 7. And we keep going, bring down another 0. 11 goes into 76 times. 11 times 6 is 66. 4. Bring down another 0. 11 goes into 40 3 times. Okay, feel like I've done this before. So 33. 7. Another 0. Okay, now we're getting familiar. 11 goes into 76 times again. So that gives me 66. And I get a 4 again. So if I keep doing this, it's just going to go on 3 6 3 6 forever. So the way we write this is 0.36 bar, and this time the bar is over both of these digits because both of these digits will be repeating forever.